Hi everyone. This is Shraddha Abad Bahalkar. I'm from Shirdi and I'm here to share my experience about the WellCure and the recovery, which I have discovered with the help of WellCure group and the support. So I had multiple issues of autoimmune diseases like lupus, RA, and fibromyalgia. I was taking multiple medicines, supplements, and I was seeing a lot of side effects because of those medicines. And Instead of improving my health, it was a reverse or the deadlock. Like because of medicines, I was having other issues, and even the lupus and RA was not improving that much. So I thought that this is not working out for me. These allopathic medicines are not working out for me. I need to find something which will really cure me, or it will really heal the root cause, So I kept looking for it, and while searching for it on the Facebook, I got the ad of WellCure, and I joined their free classes or the free sessions conducted by Dr. Prashanti and Asha ma'am. And I really liked the way she explained like why we are getting this diseases and what is the issue and all that. And she explained it in a very simple language which can be understandable by anyone. So I immediately enrolled for their sessions or the support classes, which is one-to-one sessions and the daily support from the nutritions and everyone. So I joined that, and it really helped me. It is very simple diet, natural diet, and some simple lifestyle changes, some simple exercises and everything. And it was doable. It was nothing very exotic or which needs a lot of money or anything. So it was very very simple, which can be incorporated in our daily life. And I started following up. So in January I enrolled it, and I can see improvements in last couple of months itself. Like in the first month itself, I started feeling much better, more energy. I was having issues with RA and lupus, so I was having a lot of chronic fatigue, joint pain, a lot of hair fall due to medication, and skin rashes, the redness on the cheeks and everything. So I can see that is improved. The joint pain is almost none. Thing I would like to mention here is, which is very important, that I have completely stopped all my medication, allopathy as well as the supplements which I was taking. So everything is under control. I don't need any medication right now. And with help from Dr. Prashanti and everyone, you can get a daily support and everything. And I can say that almost 80%, 85% I can see improvements. I'm still on a recovery path. It will take time, but I am patient, and I'm sure that Mother Nature will heal me completely. And that's all. Thank you so much.